Okay guys, I'm not sure if you can actually see that or not, but that little red dot right in the middle of the driveway, that is the HT02 by Holyton. It's the toy version of the Holystone drones, and we've already done the calibration, which for this drone is just up and down. We are ready for the gyro calibration, which is just holding it down, and then for the auto takeoff, which is just up. Guys, we're outside. We are flying this tiny micro drone outside, almost no wind, obviously, because this drone would not hold well in wind. And I'm going to bring this in here to the camera for you so you can actually see. There we go. Look at that little guy. Tiny little guy. And then we got some tricks on this one too, so it's pretty cool because we can go ahead. We're going to... let's get that trim in here first. Okay, so now, with us being right here in the middle of the camera, very good, we are going to do a front flip, and then we'll come back in, and we're going to do a nice little back flip, come in here, hang on, and then you also have your flipping to the right and left. Come back in here so you can see it. And this thing flies great, guys. 3 different speeds on it. That's speed 2 and speed 3. I'm going to take it out over here. Hopefully you guys can see this in the light, in the sun. And come right back into the camera for you. This thing's a blast, guys. For this little tiny size, this thing is a blast. Once again, this is the HT02 by Holyton. I'll throw a link in the comments for you. But guys, you're looking for something to play with, something to learn on. This is not GPS, obviously, and it does really well. Now that is just off the controls, not holding. You can see it does actually drift a little bit. It's going to drift a little bit, but as long as you're on the controls, you're good to go. And we're going to take this one back out here, bring it back in low into the ground and up off the camera. Whoa, almost in the trees and not in the trees. We're good. We're right back here again. All right, guys, any questions, feel free to hit me up. Drop a subscription, drop a like on there for me. Help feed that YouTube algorithm and TikTok and IG and everything else. Guys, I appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and hope to see you out there flying the drones with the kids. All right, I'll talk to you later on. You all have a great day.